Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to show you exactly how I was able to make more than 30,000, which is around 3% on the account today. I've shared all these trades for free in my Telegram channel, so if you're not inside the free Telegram channel, make sure to check it out. The links are in the description. Don't fall for anything in the comment section, okay? I cannot guarantee you that you are going to talk to me, because there are a lot of fake accounts, okay? So be careful. Just use the links in the description, all right? So what was happening today? We had, like, man, it was pretty rough. I took 4 trades overall, mean 3 losing trades because I was on the wrong side of the market, and I traded a little bit too early. I didn't wait for the New York Stock Exchange opening. I took my trades when the New York session started, so I was a little bit too early on the session. Not patient enough to wait for the New York Stock Exchange open, and it cost me a lot of money, to be honest, guys. It was not so nice. I took at least 2 unnecessary trades, which is really not good, but I'm happy that it ended up with a profit today. And let me explain to you exactly what was happening, okay? First of all, I was on the wrong side of the market. I took 3 losing trades on the sell side. I was trying to pick the top of the market, and yeah, I was wrong with my bias, and I had to change the direction. I had to listen to what the market structure is printing, the price action is telling me, and I understood that I have to change sides to be able to end this trading day with a profit at the end. So let me show you what was happening, guys. So first of all, let me go to the 1-hour time frame and let me show you exactly what was happening in here. So I mean, we had like the significant high in here. I think this was last week's high. We had the significant high here from last week in here, and when the market got above this one, I was looking for reversal. I wanted to see this thing come down again, to be honest, because we had like a strong bearish trend, like the whole last weeks was just coming down. So I was really looking for a reversal, but I was not patient enough to wait for a clear confirmation sign that it wants to go down, and that's why I took like 3 losses in a row, which is not good. But when I understood that the market wants to just keep on breaking through this high and keeps on moving to the next high, which is this one on the 1-hour time frame, then I knew I had to change my mind. I had to start buying this thing right with the flow of the market and cash out on the other side of the market. So let me go over the trades that I took today, okay? So first of all, the New York session started around 8 o'clock, and I was thinking like this thing just needs to drop from now on, because we slashed through the significant high that I told you from last week's high, and I was like, okay, it wants to go down. Market came down pretty strong in here, broke structure on the small time frame, and I decided to got in. My stop was above, got stopped out. As you can see, after I got in, the market was just going up and stopped me out. And then later on, I was waiting for bearish structure to print again, and as you can see, I took another sell in here, stop above, market stopped me out. I was like, damn it. So then I was really waiting for the New York Stock Exchange around 9:30 to open to see what happens when the volume starts to kick in. Then the market was coming up strong. Then we pulled back. Let me show you on a 1-minute time frame. Then we pulled back pretty strong, and this was the moment when I got in again. It was really not the best confirmation to step into the market. I'm not proud of that entry. As you can see, it was on the wrong side again. I didn't wait for a nice confirmation. Took that sell in here, but I understood pretty quick that this market wants to continue to go up. I mean, we printed this bearish structure, of course, but then the market turned around at this point. Boom, this rejection in here. We didn't create a new low. Market was coming up, printing bullish structure, right? So yeah, I decided to close my sell position in here, and then I started to load it up on the buy side, as I was 100% sure that it wants to continue to push to the upside, and that we are probably smash like 11,300, this area in here, which we did, as you can see around in this area. This was my target, the 11,286 level, which is exactly this last significant high. And as you can see, market just got above and then got rejected to the downside. So we took profits at the sweet spot, let me tell you like that. Yeah, I'm so happy that I ended up this day with a profit after losing like 3 trades in a row. Then understand that I'm on the wrong side, give it one more try to the upside, and yeah, this one turned out to be a winner. I was loaded up on this one. I took 2 trades, took 2 entries, so yeah, overall I was able to make like 30 grand today, which is lovely, and I'm happy with it for Monday. And let's see what we got for tomorrow. If you're not inside the free Telegram chat yet, make sure to join it. I'm going to share a lot of valuable stuff in there. I'm going to share some of my trading ideas, student results, my results, and stuff like that. So yeah, join that one. And if you need my help, guys, if you need my advice, if you need my guidance, you can drop me a private message on Telegram as well. This is where you can chat with me one-on-one. If I have time, I'm going to answer. Most of the times in the evening hours, I have some time to chat. And yeah, happy to help you out, guys. Right. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you're having a profitable trading week this week. Keep me updated. Let me know in the comment section. And yeah, keep smashing the markets, guys. Stay healthy. We talk soon. Thank you for your time. Peace.
Fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I my body